Alright, pandas. 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 Checking volume, volume check, volume check. Sorry about being late, pandas. Aesthetic looks a little different today. Aesthetic looks a little different today, pandas. We're gonna try to keep it clean as possible for this week. We're gonna keep it clean as possible for the rest of this week, pandas. Second entry short here. Pandas! Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Sorry, is that too loud? Is that too loud? Ooh, I think I just short floating in midair though. Skipping it. Here's a channel right now. Ends up working nicely here. Second inch short, floating in midair. That's all you get, Scout. Pandas! Good morning, pandas. Pandas! I should have told you this before. But I'm on vacation right now. So our stream's gonna look a little different this week. Let me know in the chat if it looks really different. Let me know in the chat if it looks like incredibly so different that you can't even tell what's happening. Also, let me know the volume's good as well. Keeping the charts clean as possible, like super clean. We're not even putting lines on the chart. Lee, good morning. Crimson, good morning. Benelli, good morning. Crimson says, where are you, Panda? Trading's boring without your stream. I know. Trust me, I know. And it says, second entries have been a game changer for me. Close to passing e-value for the first time ever. Let's go. Congratulations. Price action is good today. Unfortunately, I missed a big chunk of it early on. Mike G, good morning. Turtle Toes, good morning. Fifi, good morning. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Volume's totally fine. All right, good. Ruben, good morning. Ricardo, good morning. Welcome to the stream. Thanks, everybody. We're hitting our trend line now. I could try to take a first entry off of here. I could try to take a first entry off of here. Actually, a second entry. Let's try. Ooh, big pop up. Really strong push up. No longer interested in going short right here. What a push up. What a push up. Second entry short, fail second entry short now, what I'm looking for. Pushing above our trend line, pushing above the 20 EMA. Ooh, okay, something's happening. Unfortunately, I'm on the wrong account here. Goodness gracious, how did I do that? I mean, I'll take it, but I'm on the wrong account. How did that happen? Wait. Something weird just happened. Something very strange just happened. I made money on some accounts and lost on the other accounts. Something fishy's going on, pandas. Okay. It just took too long to connect. What a good trade, though. What a good trade. One second. Give me a second here. Alright, yeah, I think it's working. I just couldn't get in that trade. Wow. What a move. I mean, this is where you just buy anywhere, everywhere. I just want to buy with a limit order right here. Thinking the first pullback will be small. Okay, good thing being patient. Nice being patient here. Now my accounts are all messed up. It's all good. I'm not exactly sure what happened there. I I, I think I know what happened. I think basically it just didn't enter the other trades. It couldn't copy fast enough. And what it ended up doing, it ended up copying the stop loss where my limit was. So it entered when I exited my master account. It's all good, Panis. It's all good. I mean, hey, at least you see on your side the account that made money, so let's try, why not? Breakout mode. Oh, it's an ugly signal bar though. I should wait here, but who has time to wait? Who has time to wait, Pandas? We're in breakout mode right now in this trade. Let's just keep it at 10. This time, I think we are all good. All our accounts are good now. Yeah, we're copied now. We're for certain copied. I think. Okay. I must have some old version. Okay, first bounce off the 20 MA here. Let's take a look at our trend line. Something like this. Undershoot to overshoot. Now we're trading underneath the 20 MA, Panis. Thought we could get a nice push up on the this first test of the 20 MA. We could look for a second entry short for a better entry here. This might be what we're getting here. It's a good signal bar on the first entry, though. I'll tell you that much. Okay. Okay. Let's see what happens here, pandas. It's a second entry long off the 20 MA. See if we get it here. Looking for 10 points. I could look for a new high. I could look for a new high here. Risking 10 points for a new high? It's not bad. Good risk reward here. Just because we came straight from breakout mode. May not work out though. It's a nice second entry long though. Coming off our 20 MA on a strong push up. Looking for that new high, pandas. First off, looking for 10 points at least, minimum. What? Can't even give me 10 points? What is this nonsense? You could trap with a trap above the 20 MA. Hold. Oh, traps above the 20 MA. That's not good. Oh, that's even worse. That is not good at all, pandas. We might be getting into 2 losers in a row here. It's a strong uptrend. I was thinking continuation of the uptrend, but it might be looking for a new low now. Ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch. What is this nonsense here? The other time frames. What just happened? What just happened right there, pandas? No continuation on that strong uptrend. Limit order market on the 5-minute chart. Gap hasn't been filled yet. Interesting. Okay. New low. Looking for new low now. Second entry short above the 20 MA. It's just a ridiculous setup, but it happened. Quick look at news, pandas. Quick look at news here. Today we got farm roll at 8:15 already happened. Okay, we're just hanging out here until the new low is created. Limit order market. This is wild here. This price action is a little bit wild. New low is not created yet. Turning to trading range. Pandas, we're down 200. Pandas, that's nothing. That is absolutely nothing. Made money on 3 counts, lost on the 4th. Ah, yeah. Trade copier. Classic. Crimson says, don't you think the amount of points you're looking for minimize the probability to hit? Yes, 100%. Okay, we're actually pushing up now. After some nonsense happened here. A lot of nonsense happened here. Right, trap triggers here. Comes down, doesn't even make a new low. Trap fails, and that trap fails again. This is where we're at. Got the second push up here on the 2500 tick chart. The 5-minute looks pretty. I mean, we got the strong bear bar ending on its low. Reverses with the strong bull bar immediately. Maybe one more push down here on the 5-minute. It looks like a limit order market starting to develop here on the 5-minute chart. Could be wrong though. Seen it on my pause, got a little chopped up there. Went long here again. Failed both times. That means bulls are having a tough time making money here. Let's see if the bears are making some money. Big push up. Big push up here, Panos. Making that new high now. Take some time to get there though, Pandas. Took some time to get there. New high being created now. After some nonsense, though. Really took a lot of nonsense to get there. Maybe fail second to short forming on the 2500 tick chart. Maybe. It's a lot to ask for, though. Fail second entry short on the 2500. Right, you're not looking for a second entry short here because you're above the 20 MA. I'll take the fail second entry short. Here you can see all the lines. Should remove the lines here as well, huh? Clean as possible, pandas. So clean looking. I kind of like it. Okay, it's getting a little weird, right? Looks like a trading range starting to develop here. It feels like entry short does trigger, or the second entry short does trigger here. This way it feels like entry short for reverses. I'm interested. I'm interested. Let's see what happens. I would hate the outside bar reversal, but in the ATR right now says these candles are 28 points large, pandas. Can you handle that risk? Can you absolutely handle that risk? I don't think this is gonna last. Will it last here? Let's see. It does get bought up immediately, right? It is trying to limit order market, as you can see with the price action there. Wow, what is that? That looks bearish. This looks bearish to me. Looks like it wants to come back down to make a new low. That's what it looks like on the 5-minute chart. Pops up. Outside bar reversal, not interested, but this is a trap trade here currently. It's breaking out on this the 500 tick chart. Let's just wait for a good setup. Let's wait for a top of top. Looking for top setup here. Alright, the 5-minute looks bearish almost. Looks like it wants to come back down. Like kind of creating like a bear bar situation or a bear flag situation here. This strong pushes down, looking to make a new low of some sort. So it feels like at least. Second entry long forming here. If I'm interested in going long, I could take a long here. Am I that interested? I mean, I feel like we're still in the trading range, pandas. Outside bar reversal, not interested in that. It is a second entry long. Ooh, nice push up. Nice entry bar there. I've been wrong before. I've been wrong once before. This could be my second time ever being wrong. I mean, this could be pushing up here. It was just hard to take. I mean, it looked like it started getting choppy. It looked like it started going back into trading range. But we're obviously pushing up strong pandas, very strong here. Maybe fill the gap here on the 5-minute chart. Yeah, what a push, what a push. Hmm, interesting. I mean, it creates an outside bar reversal second entry long here. I don't know. I didn't love it, especially how it triggers like beneath the resistance here. Or I don't know, it could be a breakout retest. It could be that as well, but man, that's flirting. Flirting with the lines right now. NQ. Trying to fill the gap here on the 5-minute chart. Man, that trap trade was everything, huh? Fortunately, came with the outside bar reversal, which I wasn't really willing to risk. Do you guys like the clean setup more? Like the really clean looking setup like this? Or do you like it with like the indicators and stuff? I don't know how to chart this. Maybe like this? Could be? Second entry long forming here. Right at the previous day's close. Floating midair as well. The good signal bar I might be interested, but not like that. It actually failed to fill the gap here on the 5-minute chart, which is unfortunate. Because it feels like there's unfinished business now. Second entry long, but look at this, look at the second entry. It looks, it's too strong coming down. It is bouncing off our 20 MA though, maybe. Ugly looking signal bar for now. Does trigger the second entry long here. Terrible looking signal bar. I really want the trap trade here. Not really. I don't want that either. We got the trend line right in the way here. Outside bar reversal as well. On our trend line now. Pushing down pretty strong. 5-minute coming off the 20 MA. 2500 tick chart just doing whatever the heck it wants. Adachi. Looks like some people are doing well here. I, on the other hand, am struggling a little bit here, as you can tell. No clue what's happening right now. Come back into our channel here. I don't feel confident in anything right now, Pandas, to be honest. Maybe wanting to fill that gap now. I'll need at least a higher low here. It's a micro double bottom. It's a micro double bottom, Pandas. Limit orders, limit orders, limit orders everywhere. It does break the bottom here. Now we got a higher low set up. It's not the best. I'm assuming we got all these overlapping bars now. But market cycle does look very trendy today. Overall market cycle looks trendy. Pushes up, a higher low here. Higher low might be good, although I'll wait for the fail second just short here. Especially because it's so choppy now. If anything, I should even skip that. But it's a better setup than the higher low. Fails like inch short here. Fails like inch short is a type of higher low, to be honest. Good Sigma bar to go short, but bad positioning, right? You're above the 20 MA. Does push down though. This is looking for a new low. Inside bar created on the 5-minute chart, making things absolutely confusing now. I'll do a 5-minute play. I don't like the 20 MA blocking us here, but I'll do a 5-minute inside bar trade here. Let's fill the gap if we can. I don't think I'm going to go for the full risk here that's required, but I'm going to go for this gap. Inside bar, break into the upside, right? OI pattern, and it's a breakout mode. And I was supposed to put my stop loss way down here, but it's too large, so instead I'm just going to risk this and try to get a little more than 10 points. I'm risking 10 points to gain like 15 points maybe. Just because we have a clear target here, which is the previous day's close. Let's see if we can get to it with this inside bar break. It'd be nice if we could just shoot up and blast off and get to it, but it's taking its time. It's taking its time for sure. It's looking okay though. We've been green most of this trade, which is a good sign. Right? It's always a good sign when you're green most of the trade. A lot of trades I'm in, I'm like red all the time, just hoping if I come out break even at a certain point. Got the inside bar break. Really looking to get to the previous day's close here, fill the gap on the 5-minute chart. I mean, it looks like it really wants to do it. It could eventually do it, might not be here, but this is a setup to it, so I'll take it. Just holding. I don't think I have much to worry about here, do I? Worst that can happen, I lose 200. So worst that can happen. Didn't even make 10 points there, Pandas. Couldn't even make 10 points. Now I'm starting to risk more. Yikes. I don't know if I want to risk more than 10 points. I'll just take the hit. 10 points is like really the most I can risk here. I'm willing to risk, Pandas. Yeah, it takes me out. 10 points might be too small. Yeah, it could be too small here. Getting like actually a channel now coming up like this. Might have to have held it the entire risk, the real risk that should take. Hmm, it's okay. We're in this channel now. Good looking signal bar might go long again. Just coming off our trend line. Blast right through my order. Doesn't even fill me. No longer interested. It went right through my order. Didn't fill me. It filled me now though. Okay. That's going for a trend line also off the 20 EMA here. Not too shabby. Not the worst. I'm sitting my pause a little bit. Because the second entry long. Okay, that pushes down kind of hard here. What's going on? Second entry long forming on the 2500. Maybe spiking channel here. I don't like the games this market's playing. I don't like the games. I don't like the games, pandas. I just don't like the games. It's playing a bunch of games on us right now. Maybe looking to break the low here. I don't know. I don't know what's happening here. Second entry long on the 2500 though. Could just be trading range price action. Which is why I may be down some bamboo today. Pandas, are you guys having a good time? It's tough. This one's tough. Second entry long forming on the 2500 or ABC. Having a tough time closing above the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. Having a tough time closing above it. Right, we're spending some time above it, but can't close above it. Second entry long on the 2500 is the question. Do I want this? Continue this channel up, spiking channel. Yeah, that looks wacky. Look at all these wicks. Look at all these overlapping bars right now on the 500 tick. It's just pure price, pure trading range price action right now that's happening. Very confusing, pandas. Creating itself a second entry short here, actually. Second entry short forming here. Second short does trigger. Super, super choppy right now. We got like 6 overlapping bars. I should skip this regardless if it's a trap here. Outside bar reversal trap. Second entry long triggers in this very choppy price action. Does trigger though, second entry long. It looks good though. Gap finally fills after it takes me out. Like the only way to really take that to win that trade is if I took the full risk, and the full risk I was not willing to take. I ended up filling the gap where I thought it was gonna go eventually. I just didn't have the risk, the appropriate risk there. Obviously, because you know the candles are 40 points large. For me on that one, it's all good though, Pandas. I mean, it ends is looking pretty choppy now. It's choppy and also trendy. It's just confusing. You need like wide stops here. Try to capture this uptrend, right? Let's like spike channel here. I think this is a more accurate channel where you can see multiple hits on it right here, especially right here. Uh, Expanding pattern, right? IOO pattern here. It's just very confusing. Sitting on my pause here. I want my next trade to be top. You know what I mean, Pandas? Like I want my next trade to be like I got it. You just have to take it, and you're like, even if you lose it, you don't care because it's just you gotta take the good setups. It's like, have you ever played blackjack before? It's like when you have 11, dealer has a 6. Like, what you gotta do? You gotta double up. You gotta double up. You have a double up. And, you know, if you lose, you lose. But I mean, that's just you just gotta do it. It's such a strong move up right now, Pandas. What in the world's going on? It's such an incredibly strong move up. It's ridiculous. Second entry long on the 2500. That's all it was. Coming off our trend line. If it came off our trend line also 20 MA, I've been like probably way more interested in that, but it just comes off our trend line, making this spiky channel. Right, we have a spike channel. We're just following this channel right now. Higher low here. Just sitting on my pause, Pandas. I don't know if I want to enter here now. It's late in trend, pops up pretty hard. Top of the channel now. We're gonna break through. This channel is a question. Bounces off the top of the channel. Pretty precise, very precise bounce off of the top of the channel, Pandas. I mean, it's like as if it was meant to be. It's as if this channel actually is the channel that we're working with here. Look at that. Just a perfect hit off of it. Should I have gone short off of there? If I was trying to be cheeky, but I want my next setup to be top. You know what I mean, Pandas? Wow, but what a bounce. What like a perfect bounce off the top of that channel. It's like, just can't make that up. 2500 tick chart. It's pretty much the same channel. I just transposed it onto my 500 tick chart. 2500 tick chart. And the 5 minute. The 5 minute actually hasn't had another leg down yet this entire time, right? We don't have a candle breaking a previous candle's low at all in the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles so far. Maybe the 8th one it might. Comes back to the bottom of the channel here, Pandas. I mean, should I be cheeky? Should I be absolutely cheeky here? Is it time to be cheeky? Should I just do something incredibly cheeky, pandas? I mean, how cheeky can you be here? I need to touch, at least touch the channel. Touches the channel here. I mean, should I just be so cheeky right now? Should I just be so cheeky? Mm-hmm. Alright, good thing I wasn't cheeky. Whew, that's a deep pullback right here. Should I take on the first reversal? Mm-hmm. We're underneath the channel now, which just makes it hard to go long. I'm thinking the 5 minutes gonna make a new, like a break of previous candles low here. So I'm thinking. It's about that time. Okay. First entry. Second push down. First entry though. Second entry short trying to form here. Doesn't quite form though. There it is. Second entry short. I'll try. I'll try. Whatever. Let's see what we get. Second entry short here. It's ugly. It's an outside bar reversal. Of course, when I take the outside bar reversal, it fails. This is why I always skip outside bar reversals. Hey, not nice. That was not nice, market. That was not nice at all. Wow, takes me out, comes back down. Jeez. This is just insane. Insane. Yeah, it takes me out. I had a trade there. Actually, I had a trade here, but lower high. Oh, it does break a previous candle's low here. Limit order market, maybe. Quite possibly. Wow, what a bounce. What a bounce. What a push. 5 minute chart, just pure limit order market trading. That's pure limit order, Panda. Strong bull bar ending on its high, reverses. Strong bear bar ending on its low, reverses immediately. Right, no follow through on each bar, showing the market is pure limit order. I mean, pandas. If you can't beat them, join them. Can't beat them. Join them, pandas. That's exactly what we're trying to do here. Strong bull bar ending on its high. Just looks like a continuation of the spiking channel here. I'm just looking at the 5-minute chart, seeing how absolutely limit order it got here. It's what insano limit order market, like perfect limit order market trading. I may just sell at the close of this bar. Let's see, pandas. I almost want to close it. I almost want to sell at the limit order if it's a strong bull bar, like ending on its high. Just because that's what we saw last 3 candles here. Let's see what happens. If you can't beat them, join them. Are we gonna even be able to get here? I don't think so. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a shame. Let's try to sell with a limit order right here. Seems like what a lot of traders did. The moment this bar closed, they sold the limit orders. Couldn't time that well enough. Want to try in a second attempt? Don't want to try in a second attempt. I don't know. Second attempt's scarier. Second attempt is definitely scarier, pandas. Second attempt is definitely scarier, I'll tell you that much. A lot of people did sell with limit orders here. You can tell the moment the bar closed, it just reversed down. Hmm. Breaks above the previous candle's high. I don't know, pandas. Maybe it looks bullish now. Doesn't quite get there yet. Doesn't quite get there. Missed it by like a point. before it got knocked back down again. Hmm. Oh, in this trade. Let's see if we can get a nice limit order, some sort of limit order market here. Risking 10 points to gain like 40 maybe? Just because I'm seeing the limit order market start to form pretty definitively here. Let's see if we can take advantage of that. I mean, this could just rocket upwards, which is fine because my stop loss is small. So if it does, I'm protected. But if it decides to continue this limit order market, I can make a good profit here. So my risk is like I have good risk reward here, but is my probability that high? I don't know. We'll see. Good risk reward usually means low probability. But I mean, if you want to do a low probability, you should trade against the breakout, right? Because breakouts are low probability. So hopefully this will. Yeah, this looks like it's gonna take me out here. Yeah, easy breakout, huh? Oh, I mean, it takes me out like to the T, to the tick. Kind of reverses basically here. Man. Maybe right idea, not enough, not enough, not enough, buffer. Yeah, not a bad idea, but not enough buffer. Would have made some good bamboo by now, but I wasn't risking enough. Tough. It's a tough loss right there. I don't know. I might end it there. I might stop trading now. What's my threshold at right now? Jeez. I got about 2,000 left. I got $2,000 threshold. That's plenty. Plenty, 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 plenty. Yeah, more or less 2,000 in each account. It's just not worth it on a day like this. It's just too confusing. It's like always flirting on the edge of becoming a trading range. Kind of breaks out. Trading range breaks out. I really hope you guys are doing better than me. Tough day for me. Just a spike in channel though. Spike in channel with an undershoot. Looks gets a new high here. 5 minute looking for another break of a previous candle's low is a question. Higher low setup here on the 500 tick. It's short. Above the 20 May. Feels like it's a short forming here. Am I really looking for a new high at this point? I don't know. Decent push down. It takes me out to the tick, basically. It really does take me out to the tick, almost. I need a wider stop loss. My stop loss wasn't wide enough, basically. I need to give a little more room to cook. It's tough, though, because you want to minimize your risk. But if you minimize your risk too much, then your probability is too low. It's a balancing game. It really is a balancing game. Trading, there's no backsies. There's no take backsies in trading. That's why you gotta limit your losses. Like if I put my stop loss way up here, what if it just blasted up and started and hit it up here and I just it's, it is what it is. Especially in a confusing market, it's not worth it. Not worth the risk, in my opinion. Second too short here. Lower high, looking for a new low. Could be a decent push down. 5-minute chart. Still looking for that break of. And this could be a fail second too short. I don't know. I mean, look at this. It's overlapping, completely overlapping. I was pretty much correct though in my assessment. This turning to a limit order market here. I just didn't trade it correctly. I did not trade it correctly. I didn't take enough risk. I don't know. How would I have known? I don't know. How would I have known? Okay. Maybe spiking channels. Right to form. Nope. Reversing back up. Right off our trend line on the 200, the 2500. Inside bar created. I already failed on one inside bar. Should I try again on another inside bar? I mean, why not? Last trade of stream. Why not, pandas? Why not us? Do I just want a small dink? I just want to win here, huh? I just gotta look for the win. Pandas, I just need a win. I just need a win, pandas. Sometimes that's all you need is a little win just to feel, just get back into it, you know? Just get back into it. And what a win that was. Now I tick shot the market this time. Market tick shot me, I tick shot the market back. Jeez, that's a perfect fill right there. 1, 2, 3 pushes on that. Should have a limit order up here, huh? The moment I sold it, the moment I closed my position, I should have reversed it. I don't know if I would have done that. This is an inside bar trade as well. Yeah, I don't think I was wrong with my assessment in the limit order market. It's just wacky right now. Quick update on news. By the way, pandas, the BBM for 80% off is extended till 1 week. I mean, who knows? It could be the forever promo, but really, who knows? I mean, they have taken it off before, bringing it back to 71%. The 71% for sure is the forever promo. You got unemployment claims tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Make sure you mark your calendars for that. Also, ISM services PMI. We'll be trading then. Adachi, giving me the shaka. Giving me the shaka. How appropriate. Currently in Hawaii, actually. So I'm actually trading in like 4 a.m. right now. I started trading at 3 a.m. I was just, getting things ready, and man, I'm tired. We just got here. We just got here, and me and Mrs. Panda. So that's what we're at right now. Give me some recommendations in Hawaii if you have any. Maui and Oahu. If you got recommendations, let me know. Sightseeing, food, whatever. Things to do, experiences. Just let me know in the chat. I'm up 3 a.m. right now trading for you guys. Just because I love the community too much. Second entry long here. Yeesh. How do you trade this, Pandas? Tell me, are you making money today? I think Daryl runs a snorkeling tour there. I don't think Daryl knows how to snorkel. I'm not gonna lie. Actually, who knows? He's more of a, horse ranch type of guy, shooting his guns with all his guns. I don't like the super clean charts, Pandas. Doesn't it look kind of nice? Not even having the grid lines. Looks really nice. Looks super clean. I mean, this spike in channels everything today. Jeez. Oh, I kind of wanted this. Kind of wanted that. Another break or a second just short, essentially. Plenty of room to 20 MA here. Maybe one more scalp. Give me a lower high. Might be interested. It's the end of the day. It's just being filled with limit orders all along the way here. Huh? Never mind. I'll take one more trade today. Feels like I just short on the 5-minute chart. It might trigger the outside bar reversal though. If I want it like that. Don't know if I want it like that though. Okay. If it makes a new low, I'm done. If it makes a new low, I'm done. If it breaks this low, I'm done. If it breaks this high, I'm done. Second entry long. A, B, C, second entry long. Trap trade. Fail second entry long here. Outside bar reversal. Just ridiculous. It's price action. If we break this high or this low, I am done, pandas. Outside bar. Smaller time frame. Popping up. Making a triangle currently. Oh, day trader. Hey, thoughts and prayers. Everyone in the chat, give thoughts and prayers to day trader. Says Panda blew up my PA account yesterday, which was 159 from payouts. Hurts, but we are here. I cannot tell you how many times I've done that. Hey, thoughts and prayers to you, day trader. I've been there. I think a lot of us have been there. It's something about that last, like, yeah, give an F in the chat for day trader. Goodness gracious. F's in the chat for day trader. That's, I mean, it's something about, like, for some reason, you're just like, okay, it's just 500 more or 100 more. Let me just take a trade. Doesn't even have to buy by my rules. Got a fail second entry short here, and it triggers with the outside bar reversal. No, not interested. Sub breaks the high. It is what it is. The outside bar, the trap on the 5-minute chart is what I was looking for, but it triggers with the outside bar was a little too early. It is what it is. So skipping that trade. I wanted to go long there. All good, pandas. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are doing better than me. But yeah, unfortunately we couldn't take that trade. Pandas, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Trade safe, everyone. Remember, there's news tomorrow. Also, use code BBM, 80% off. And hope to see you guys then. As always, have a trading God bless. Bye.